Hey, what's up everyone? So we are back over here at the Taipei Gate area. Today is officially day one of the Songkran Water Festival. And it's around like 12 noon right now. The sun's burning hot right now. But I guess it's a good thing that everyone's spraying water, so that way our water gonna be cooled down. So we're gonna go check it out to see how crazy it is. It was pretty crazy during the pre-Songkran day, which was yesterday. But so if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. But yeah, today is officially day one. We're gonna go check out to see how crazy it is, or to see if it's even bigger. And we're probably gonna go to a few locations. They do have quite a few Songkran event in the Chiang Mai city. And tonight there's going to be a party or a concert that we are attending. So we're gonna go there and have some fun. All right, let's turn this around and have some fun.
There's more people than yesterday.
More people today, right?
What?
Go ahead, go ahead. You gotta go close.
I need water, I need water. I learned it yesterday. Thank God we came here for pre-Songkran. But you have to throw the water in the canal. Oh, okay. And then you scoop it like this. And then you throw it. And then you do it again. That's how you do it.
Go closer. What are you doing?
It's easy. They're next to me.
What are you doing?
I'm getting lit. Watch, I'm gonna get this guy next to me. Happy Songkran! Okay. Ooh, I got it.
Happy.
Happy. What is it?
วันนี้มาตัวแรกสปอนเซอร์โกนะคะในรูปแบบขวดเพชรหรือว่าขวดพลาสติกของเราค่ะเป็นรสชาติ
Pretty crazy over here. Oh, it's so much more crazy than yesterday. There's a lot of people just spraying water at every single direction. Just like these people. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at this vendor just selling ice. It's a big old ice block. So unfortunately, this gun only lasted me one day, which was only for the pre-Songkran day. That's to say that it's not really working as well as yesterday. What I am planning to do is probably buy a new water gun, or probably just gonna give myself a bucket. To this side of the old city, it was popping during the evenings on April 12th, and as of right now, it's kind of empty. But further down towards the Taipei Gate area is where all the people are currently at right now. But maybe during the evening, we'll probably see this whole area right here fill up, because it's probably because it's too hot right now. So I think it's time to go to a different area.
Look at that savage car right there.
made it to Kaew Mall. This place used to be like one of the major malls here in Chiang Mai, but sadly it closed down last year due to COVID and everything. So we're gonna go check out, see what they have over here. So it seems like they have quite a few booths here and some sort of amusement ride. You got water right here where you fill up your water. And I think they also have like a little foam party probably over there somewhere. But we're gonna go check it out. Alright, so unfortunately, I don't think they're doing the foam party right now. I think it's at 3 o'clock. We're a little bit early. Unfortunately, we were at Kaew, but then they didn't start their foam party or foam bath until like 3 p.m. and at that time it was around like 1:30 p.m. so we decided to go home, rest, and that was around like 5 p.m. 5:30. We're gonna go check out Central Festival because we bought some tickets to enter the Thai concert, and hopefully they're doing a lot of like water parties over there. I think it's gonna be epic.